In this video, we'll learn about Chapter 1, Rational Numbers, Exercise 1.1 from Class 8 Mathematics book. We have the first question from Exercise 1.1. Using appropriate properties, find the value of the given expression. So we just do not have to calculate, but we have to apply the properties and find out the answer. So we'll be applying the specific properties over here. First part. Now it matters a lot the way we write the expression. So the expression that has been given in the question, we'll write them in the brackets to differentiate the various terms given in it. Then we have 5 upon 2 and then we have 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 in subtraction. Now if you look at here, the first product and the last product have a number 3 by 5 in common. First product has 3 by 5, the last product also has 3 by 5. So if we write these two products together, we can apply distributive property on them. So for that, what will we do? We'll change the sequence of these two terms by applying the commutative property. So we'll write the first product at its own place, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. And bring this here. Remember, when we are changing the positions, we have to change it with the plus or the minus sign before. So plus 5 upon 2 comes here. Now we can easily find out this is the common term, so we can take it out as common. That's 3 by 5 into minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 6. It's minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Next we have 3 by 5 into, now when we solve this we get minus 4 minus 1 upon 6 by taking the LCM of the denominators. We get minus 4 minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2 remains as it is. Now we'll solve them further. So we get 3 by 5 into minus 5 upon 6. So this product will be found first and then we'll add 5 upon 2 to it. So when we see here, we can cancel 5 with 5, 6 can be cancelled by 3. So finally we get minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. We do not need to take the LCM of the denominators, they are already same. So we can simply find out minus 1 plus 5 upon 2, which is 4 upon 2, and the final answer for the question is 2. So we applied properties at two of the places. In the first step here, we applied the commutative property and then we applied here distributive property. Next, we'll solve the B part of the question. So we'll write down the expression once again. So we have second part. Again, we'll write the expression with proper brackets so that we are able to identify what are the products properly. So we have three products here. And then we have 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. So we'll put this also in the product form, in the brackets form. Now if we see, we can notice that the first product has 2 by 5 and the last product also has 2 by 5. So let's interchange the positions. And now when we are interchanging the positions, we are applying the commutative property over there. So by commutativity, we can easily interchange the positions of these terms. So we get 2 by 5 into minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5 and then minus 1 by 6 into 3 upon 2. So now when we take the common number here 2 by 5 and multiply by the sum of remaining, that is minus 3 by 7 plus 1 upon 14, we are applying distributive property in this step. 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. This third product, since we are not applying any distributive property over here, so we can even cancel them and find out the final answer. So here we can see 6 can be cancelled by 3. So we can write down the final calculation in the next step. Here we get 2 by 5 into minus 6 plus 1 upon 14, and here we get minus 1 upon 4. On further solving, we get 2 by 5 into minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 by 4. Now when we look at the product, we see 5 and 5 get cancelled. 14 gets cancelled by 2. So we get here minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. And taking the LCM, we get 28 here. And in the numerators, we get minus 4 minus 7. So the final answer for the question becomes minus 11 upon 28. And yes, here definitely in this particular step we have used the distributive property. So we can mention it here, distributive property. So the two properties used in both the questions, both the parts are commutative property. So we use commutative property when we change the sequence of the terms, and we use distributive property when we take one term as common.